In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Roblox error code 279 or how to fix Roblox failed to connect to game ID 17 in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From your desktop, open any of the browser and search for status.roblox.com. Then hit enter and here check if all the services are fully operational or not. If they are not, then they could be the reason of this error. If all the services are fully operational, then move to the next step. From your Google Chrome browser, click on three vertical dots on top right corner. Here click on settings. In settings menu, click on privacy and security. In privacy and security section, click on third party cookies. Here click on see all site data and permissions. Then at the top side, search for Roblox. After this, click on trash icon in front of Roblox and then click on delete. After this, close this window and from desktop press Window plus R key from your keyboard and type app data. And here double click on local. Here you have to find temp folder. Just scroll down until you find temp. Click on temp. Now here you have to find Roblox. Scroll down until you find Roblox. Right click on it and click on trash icon. Now check have your problem been solved or not. If it's not, then move to the next method. From desktop click on search and type view network connection and click on open. Here select the network you are using and right click on it, then click on properties. Here click on IPv4 and again click on properties. Here click on using the following DNS server address and in preferred DNS server type 8888 and in alternate DNS server type 8844. Then click on OK and then click on close. It should fix your problem. So that's how you can fix Roblox error code 279 or Roblox failed to connect to game ID 17 in just few easy steps.